By reading emails for 1 hour, you can earn $25. You can do this with your phone from anywhere in the world. You can do it as many times as you want. It's actually quite basic and extremely easy. And anyone can do it without any experience. It's also completely free. You don't need to invest any money to get started. So now, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $100 every day simply by reading emails, as well as several other things you can do to generate money online. Before we go further to this video, welcome to Sociio Media, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, let's get started. So, first and foremost, go to Windale.com. As you can see, the website claims that you may earn money by taking surveys. But today, we will not focus on surveys. So, what you have to do is create a completely free account on this website, where you can see that they have a number of offers to take advantage of, such as reading emails. So, they offer a variety of tasks, and the email tasks are normally $10 to $15 per assignment. And they are the ones that will bring you the most money. When you establish your account, you'll notice that they have a lot of various categories like automobiles and trucks, politics, sports, technology and shopping. However, you should concentrate on shopping. They have a few different categories where you can make a lot more money. But shopping is usually the one where you can get the most. So, after you enter these categories, you'll notice plenty of other listings and job postings for reading emails, which is the quickest method to get money. But you must take this seriously and make money over the long term. You should try out a genuine job posting for each of their categories and see which one produces the most money for you with the least amount of work, or which one you enjoy doing the best. So now, before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, let's get back. For you all, another good tip to keep in mind is that the only way you'll get $10 to $15 every assignment is if you're truly in one of their chosen countries. Therefore, you'll need to use a VPN, a virtual private network that pretends your computer is in one of their recognized countries, such as the United States or Canada. Because one of the issues with these sites is that people from all over the world sign up and don't provide good quality work. So, there are a lot of different free VPNs out there. You can easily go and get one for free that will make your computer look like it's based in the United States or Canada. If you're already in one of those countries, you're fine. Also remember that when you set up your account, you must use an address that is based in one of those countries. You may use a random address generator to achieve this. I'm just going to Google Maps and zooming in till I discover an address in Canada or the United States. That way, you'll be able to prove that you're in Canada. The VPN will show your computer's location as being in Canada, allowing you to qualify for the highest possible payments. Another cool way to make money with this site is to use the referral program, and they also have a free sign-up bonus. To claim a sign-up bonus, simply go to their site and then take your mouse as if you're about to exit, and exit pop-up will appear asking you to sign up and give them your email address. And then you'll have $1 deposited into your account. And if you go down on their site, you'll see ways to earn, which lists all of the stuff that they do. We were talking about reward mail, where you can join up and be paid to read emails. That's what we're talking about in this video. But if you go back to ways to earn, you'll see referrals. Referrals imply that you will be paid $5 for each person you refer to the site. So, you may know or be able to tell your friends and family members to sign up. It's definitely not the most efficient thing in the world, but as an entrepreneur, you must take extra time and work for every single dollar in order to save money that you can reinvest into better and more effective ways to generate money online. So, there are a variety of options with this site. You can get paid $25 an hour or more to read emails. Get paid with free sign-up bonuses just for signing up. Learn how to qualify for more real money by using an American or Canadian address. Or you can use a secret trick on how to earn $5 or more using referral bonuses just for signing up. It's just a really simple and easy way to make some side hustle money. You can work from home and make money online by reading emails for up to 55 minutes. You can do this from anywhere in the world using your phone, laptop, or any other device that you have. And that's it. If you love similar content, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, smash the like button, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Cheers.